I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Movistar account can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Movistar app. Launch the Movistar app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once in the app, look for the payment methods section in the menu. This is where you can manage your payment options. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the payment methods section, tap on the option to add debit card. This will prompt you to enter your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in your debit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for typos, as an incorrect number can lead to errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card details, hit the confirm button to save your information. You should see a confirmation message if successful. Remember to keep your app updated to avoid any glitches during this process. Good luck and enjoy your seamless transactions with Movistar.